Yeah, sanibonani you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nephile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Okay, ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe mangaba subscribe, like the video and share. Remember you guys the video that I posted lana eka Gogo Skhotheni no Queen Lolly. Remember the drama Queen Lolly waye kwenye podcast lapha wayesikhuluma indaba zokuthi kuthiwa Gogo Skhotheni wenzani nempumelelo Mseleku ide kanjalo you guys and kwaba khona voice note lapha eka Gogo Maweni confirm ukuthi impumelelo Mseleku no Gogo Skhotheni into ikanjalo guys. So angazi kune video engizoyiletha manje yaka Gogo Skhotheni ekhuluma nje ngokuthi what bengi address le ndaba kodwa ke ethi ngivele ngiyenze njalo you guys. So she's denying ukuthi khona into ayenza yena nompumelelo Mseleku uzasho athi ku Queen Lolly bengifuna nje ukukusuwa wena sisi kodwa ke ngiye ngabona ukuthi hayi ayikho into engayisuwa from when angazi guys. She's actually denying ukuthi khona into ayenza nompumelelo Mseleku so ngisele ngizibuza mina ukuthi ngabe mhlambe laba bathi since uyibukile if you didn't watch video lana eka Queen Lolly echaza ngobudlelwano bukaMpumelelo Mseleku Gogo Skhotheni ngicela uyoyibuka ikhona le, just go back a little bit ikhona kuma videos wami uQueen Lolly wakwenye podcast wasechaza ukuthi actually Mpumelelo Mseleku no Gogo Skhotheni wasechaza ukuthi ngathi wayene ubungane yeke yena no Gogo Skhotheni wasethola uGogo Skhotheni ubusy ke noMpumelelo Mseleku. This is what I ngamzwa mina esho kanjalo if I must say. So ke kodwa ke kule clip nyane ekhona lana uGogo Skhotheni akavumi uthi kungamanga lokho and uzasho ukuthi abazange babe ngabangane nano Queen Lolly. uQueen Lolly weza kuye ezokhanyisa uthi weza kuye ezofuna uncedo. So uthi hayi asizange sibe ngabangane kodwa uQueen Lolly yena ukhulume ngefriendship between yena yakhe noGogo Skhotheni. Asisazi khona lapho ukuthi ongoqamba amanga ngumuphi uGogo Skhotheni denies ukuthi ikhona into ayenza noMpumelelo. So angazi bafethu, this is what I get from iclip leka Gogo Skhotheni. So sesizoqamba amanga asikwazi mhlambe baye bathi ukufletha kodwa bazange bagcina sebesenza izinto kodwa ke what can we say ngosasingekho asikwazi besikhuluma ngento eyakhulunywa ngoQueen Lolly hayi thina kwakhuluma uQueen Lolly ungene wazana lezi ndaba kwasikuba neaudio yaka Gogo Maweni engathi uyaconfirma kodwa kuzakala ngathi Gogo Skhotheni uthi yonke le nto ngamanga. So hayi ke asazi awushuva lokho comment section bese uyalike video subscribe share siyobuye sibonane kwenye landelayo. Bye.
Yes, I was not going to address this, but I can see it needs my attention. I've never had any sexual encounter with Mpumelelo Mseleku. I saw on my ancestors' life. I've never. I met him when he had to come to my podcast. Even my ex-husband would testify on this if he could. I respected my marriage, never involved a third party. Emshadweni wami asikaze sibanga umuntu wesithathu guys. Not even giving each other signs that we are doing each other like that. Just because we're separated does not mean it's because of a third party. So when I say sokhuluma lezi zinto ngiyakubona nje, I was thinking of suing you, but ngiyakubona ukuthi uyisu nje uyihambela. Impilo yakho isuwe wena. And you playing those voice notes thinking, no. Don't try to involve battles that you know very well, Guti. They've been there. Me and that girl on the voice note, yes, we don't get along. So I'm not expecting anything good coming from her. Ngam. And sissy, we've never been friends, now, yes? When you came in Dumbinam seeking for help, we've never been friends. Go look for professional help because ngiyabona right la. Qhubeka udliwe wethu ungasifaki thina. Akusiyonke intombazana ephumelelile edliwayo, akusiyonke intombazana enhle edliwayo. Qhubeka udliwe wena ube ile object ungasifaki lapho. Asihloniphaneni guys. Lokhu ikhalisa ukhalelani. Angiphapheli mina sisi. Cela ungihloniphe. No.